Hi everyone, this is Chrissy from MapleRoad and welcome back. Today's cake will be this beautiful golden white cake. We had to keep it neutral as this was used as a gender reveal cake. The goal was to add texture to avoid looking too plain. Are you ready? Let's go through the process. Start out with a crumb coated cake. Add a generous amount of buttercream for coverage. Using an offset spatula, flatten out the top of the cake. With a bench scraper at 90-degree angle, scrape off the buttercream repeatedly until smooth. You will notice some gaps, but do not worry, we can fill it in with more buttercream and continue scraping. With the great power of editing, I was able to smoothen out the sides in less than a minute. Chill the cake for a few minutes before trimming excess buttercream at the top with a small knife. I find that this helps with achieving sharp and clean edges. Don't forget to clean off your knife as you go. For maximum sharpness, run your spatula over the top and bench scraper on the sides before pulling the buttercream to the center of the cake. Because who doesn't want maximum sharp cakes? Am I right? Chill the cake for at least 15 minutes. Use a patterned template to add texture to the cake. This could be anything you want. Dots, zigzag, square, use whatever patterns you want for your cake. Carefully apply buttercream all over the template. Then, gently scrape off any excess, making sure the scraper doesn't touch the cake itself or it'll leave unwanted marks. Peel off the template and keep repeating this process until the whole cake has patterns. Now let's set the cake in the freezer while we work on the decoration. Dust the mold with cornstarch to prevent from sticking. I'm adding the fondant piece per piece and pushing them in the mold with a roller. Trim off excess with a knife and push even more so in the mold, making sure it's completely filled with fondant. Bend the mold slightly to take out the fondant. If you pull the fondant out, you risk ruining it, so be very careful and gentle. Color the leaves with edible gold luster dust mixed with vodka. If you want non-alcoholic, lemon extract is an option. Let dry for a couple of hours or overnight if you have time. On to the rice paper sale. This was rice paper dipped in water and dried out. If you want to see a tutorial on this, please let me know in the comment section below. We are airbrushing this gold. Let the first coating dry for a few minutes and then go back in for the second coat. Now for more decoration, I'm using the same colored fondant to cut out shapes. Using the same approach as the leaf fondant, paint using edible luster dust and let dry overnight. Then let's start assembling. Using buttercream as adhesive, pipe some onto the back of the fondant and place wherever you'd like. Have fun with this process and trust that creativity will follow. And voila, we are done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss another MapleRoad tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.